I'm at home. It's kind of dark, but I'm finna show y'all my room. It's not good right now, but it's coming together. First, no trespassing, girls only, no boys allowed. Same with my closet. My robe is cute. This is my little TV with, open this. Not too much in there, but you can change the color. I'm gonna show y'all, same as my bed, but we didn't put the batteries in the remote yet. But because I'm just getting my new room, I got a shoe thing. Don't mind this on the floor. This is for my PS5 that I haven't got yet. I got this cute lotion. It smells good. Smell it. Yeah, it does smell like it. I should go get this. I got a mirror. I spilled water on it, so don't worry about that. Anyways, that's my room. Not too much. Not too much. Thank you for the applause. Not too much. Not too much. Can I get a like? Can I get a clap? Yeah. Thank you. Anyways, as I told you guys from the start, I'm taking over my mama's YouTube channel. If you don't believe me,
if you mind, you top everything. Suicide in the top, such a lanes and a thing. So fly, baby, no propane. Got good pussy.
If I can. I don't know if I know how, because it's my first time. But, well, yeah. Love y'all. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on, because I'm going to be posting. Maybe not every day, but posting. Love y'all. Turn me famous.